Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can add color and labels to card in the Trello board. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, in order to make a card have a different color from other card, what you want to do is you want to right click on this card and click on edit labels. Click on the color that you want to set for the card. Let's say I want to set the card to have the color green, and you can also label the color green as the something that you want. Let's say I wanted to label as list 1, and then I can hit save. So you can also add multiple color to a card. You can add yellow, orange, and you can always edit the labels to have different like meanings, and that is how you can create and add labels to a card. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.